This is the elevator at the University of Kentucky. Human Economics Building, I think is the name of it. And look what I just found. Found an original US elevator with circle buttons. B. Let's get a cab view. Just a basic industrial looking cab that's sort of beat up, but just look at these fixtures. Let's ring it. It's gonna leave. And left. Crap. Look at those brails. I like the brails. View out down here. Okay, it's gonna come back down. Here it is. Alright, let's go up to 3 and let's listen to the motor. There's your phone. You're on 3. And we'll go down to B. Lantern doesn't light up. And we'll go up and listen to that EPIC motor one more time. Back up to 3. And I'm gonna go back down to 1 and end there. Look at this. Got a close-up of the buttons. US circle buttons. I love them. And we're gonna just look at the buttons and watch one go out. You're on 1. And anyways, there it goes. And that is gonna be it.